Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. Friends, in this video, I would like to teach you progressions. This is the part 2 video on this progressions. In this part 2, we are going to learn GPA, means geometric progression. What is a geometric progression? The list of numbers in which each term is obtained by multiplying a fixed term to the preceding term is called geometric progression. Let us see a few examples. Two, 4, 8, 16 and so on. So this is a geometric progression, GP. Here except first term, for this exemption we are multiplying a fixed number, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So like this we can get the next number also by multiplying 2. 16 2s are 32. So this fixed term, fixed number is called common ratio. Geometric progression is written, we can write GP, common ratio, or the fixed term which we multiplying to get next number is called common ratio R. One more example. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 and so on. So this is also GP. So why it is GP? What is the common ratio? Here we have multiplying a fixed number, that is 1 minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 is plus 1, plus 1 minus 1 is minus 1, and also get next number minus 1 minus 1 is plus 1. So like this will come. So here is minus 1 is fixed term, so that's why this is also a geometric progression. Next, one more example. 30, 90, 270 and so on. 30, 90, 270. What is the common ratio? 3 3s are, we are multiplying with 3. 3 3s are 9, 30 3s are 90, 90 3s are 270. So here common ratio is 3. So this is also a GP. We can get next number. 3 zeros are 0, 3 sevens are 21, 3 twos are 6, 7, 710. Next two number is 710. So this is also GP into 3. How to get common ratio? Observe clearly. 2, 4, 6 and so on. I am written again this here. This is first term, second term, third term, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. A4. So this is a GP. How to get common ratio? By dividing second term by first term, we can get common ratio. So common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1. Second term by second term by first term. So this is the common ratio formula. This is first term. So what is the general term of geometric progression? GP. GP is equal to general form of GP. General form of a GP. General form of a GP. This is the first term, AR square, AR cube and so on. So this is the this is the first term, A1, A2, A3, A4. By observing, we can identify nth term. Nth term, n is equal to here 1 less. So a to the power of a r to the power of n minus 1. So this is the nth term. So first term a1 is equal to a, a2 is equal to ar, a3 is equal to ar square, a4 is equal to ar cube and so on like this. An is equal to ar to the power of n minus 1. And also we can write first term okay, second term okay, third term a2 into common ratio. So a2, this is the a2, 4 into common ratio to 4 to the 8. Next a4, how can we get to a4? A3 into common ratio, 8 to 2 the 16. So a4 is equal to a2 is equal to a1 into common ratio, a3 is equal to a2 into r, a4 is equal to a3 into r, an is equal to an minus 1 into r. So this is the method to understand finding answers in exercise. To understand geometrical progression clearly, let us see a few examples. Example 1, write the GP if the first term a is equal to 3 and the common ratio r is equal to 2. Solution: first term a is equal to a1 is equal to 3. Second term a2 is equal to, we know the formula, a1 into r. So ar or a1 r, 3 into common ratio 2, 3 2 is 6. Third term a3 is equal to a2 into r, is equal to a to 6. This is the a to 6 into R2, common ratio 2. 6 2s are 12. So like this we can get, and so on. We can write a GP. Therefore, required GP is 3, 6, 12 and so on. Second example, find the common ratio of the GP 25 minus 5, 1 minus 1 by 5. To find the common ratio, solution, common ratio, we have to know common ratio, or we have to know the formula. Second term by first term, second term by first term. This is the formula. We can write this shortly, a2 by a1. So this is the formula in short. So here these are a1, a2, a3, a4. So common ratio R is equal to a2 by a1, that is equal to minus 5 by 25, 5 ones 5 5s, minus 1 by 5. Therefore common ratio R is equal to minus 1 by 5. So this is the answer. Example 3. Which of the following list of numbers form a GP? Here we have two problems. First problem, 3, 6, 12. So the list of numbers form a GP, we can check. So this is solution, a1, a2, a3 and so on. To check this GP, we have to find the common ratio. Common ratio R is equal to a2 by a1, 6 by 3, 3 ones 3 2s, 2, and a3 by a2, 12 by 6, 6 1 6 2, 2. So like this, all common ratios are equal. That's why, therefore the given list of numbers form a GP. Here why it is form a GP? a2 by a1 common ratio, a2 by a1 is equal to a3 by a2. Like this, all a4 by a3. If we written more terms, we can find a4 by a3. So we check two ratios. So like this, the given list of numbers form a GP. Next, here we can check same like that only, a1, a2, a3 and so on. Common ratio R is equal to a2 by a1, 1 by 32 by 1 by 64, that is called 1 by 32 into 64 by 1, 32 ones are 32 twos are 2. Next, a3 by a2, 1 by 8 by 1 by 32, 1 by 8 into 32 by 1. 8 ones are 8 fours are 4. If we observe these common ratios, we can understood this is not in GP because common ratios A2 by A1 not is equal to A3 by A2. Therefore, the list of the given list of numbers does not form a GP. Example 4. Find the 20th and nth term of the GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. These are terms. Solution. Given terms 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. This is a GP, given GP. A1, A2, A3 and so on. In this A is equal to A1 is equal to 5 by 2. Common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1, that is equal to 5 by 4 by 5 by 2, that is called 5 by 4 into 2 by 5. 5 cancel, 2 ones, 2 twos, 1 by 2. Therefore, basing this first term and common ratio, we can find given term, 20th term, 20th term. A20 is equal to A r to the power of 19. Here A is 5 by 2, R is 1 by 2, all to the power of 19. That is equal to 5 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 all to the power of 19. So these are base are equal, so we can add powers, exponents. 5 into 1 by 2 all to the power of 20, that is equal to 5 into 1 to the power of 20 by 2 to the power of 20. 5 by 2 to the power of 20. So this is the answer. And here we have to find nth term. Nth term is equal to nth term an is equal to a r to the power of n minus 1. A 5 by 2, r 1 by 2 all to the power of n minus 1. So 5 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 all to the power of n minus 1, here 1. 5 into 1 by 2 all to the power of 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to 5 into plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 1 by 2 all to the power of n. So this is the answer. This is the first answer. This is the second answer. Example 5. Which term of the GP 2 root 2, 4 and so on is 128? Solution. Given GP Given GP is 2, 2 root 2, 4 and so on is 128. Which term is this? A1, A2, A3 and so on. This is AN. A is equal to A1 is equal to 2. Common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1 is equal to 2 root 2 by 2, 2 ones, root 2. Let 128 be the nth term of the GP, nth term of the given GP. Then we can write, we know nth term AN is equal to AR to the power of n minus 1. In this, A is 2, R is root 2, n minus 1. This is given 128. 2 ones, 2 6, 2 4s. So 2 to the power of 1 by 2, root 2 to the power of 1 by 2, whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 64. It is in the form of a to the power of m into a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. Using this formula, we can write this 2 to the power of 1 by 2 into n minus 1 is equal to 64. We can write like this: 2 3s, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 6, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 to the power of 6. So here bases equal, then powers also, exponents also equal. So 1 by 2 n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. So n minus 1 is equal to 2 into 6 is equal to 12. N is equal to 12 plus 1, 13. Therefore 128 is the 13th term of the given GP. Example 6. In a GP, the third term is 24 and sixth term is 192. Find the 10th term. Third term given, third term A3 is equal to AR square is equal to 24. This is equation 1. Next to sixth term A6 is equal to AR to the power of 5 is equal to 192. Equation 2. Dividing equation 2 by equation dividing equation 2 by equation 1, we get like this. Equation 2 is AR to the power of 5 is by AR square is equal to 192 by 24. So here a cancel, r square, 2 cancel, 3 balance, 4 4 4 4 is 16, 3 4 8 is 32, 4 6 is 6 1 is 6 8 is. So r cube is equal to 8. R is equal to third root 8. So third root 8, 2 4s, 2 2s. So from these 3 we have to take 1. So r is equal to 2. So r is equal to 2. Substitute r is equal to 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 is ar square is equal to 24. Ar square is equal to 24. In place of r we have to substitute 2. 2 square is equal to 24. 4 is equal to 24. 4 1s are 4 6 are. A is equal to 6. So basing these values we can find 10th term. Therefore 10th term a 10 is equal to ar to the power of 9. Here a value 6, r 2 to the power of 9. 2 to the power of 9 we can calculate. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 2s are 256, 256 2s are 512. 6 into 512, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6 7, 6 5s are 30. So 3072 is the a 10th. So this is the 10th term. Friends, I think you understood each and every concept what we learnt in this video. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear your doubt. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates, and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.